Yesterday we were doing exponents, spent a little time on that. Today we're just going to do a quick review of order of operations, make sure everybody has this. Remember, math is one of those things that really has only one right answer to each problem. So that's good and that's bad, because for some of you it's hard to find it. But the problem is, if we don't follow the proper order, we can get an answer, but it will be wrong if it's not in the proper order. So that's why the order of operations is so important. And it will keep on going forever. You will always have to follow it. Sometimes we think that the order is going to change, or that at some point we're not going to need to use it anymore, but it needs to be used forever. Okay? So just know that. So this is what we've already talked about. So we have parentheses first. Some of you may have also used brackets in the past. So brackets would fall up here. As a matter of fact, why don't you go ahead and write the word brackets there? Now, if you have brackets and parentheses at the same time, does anybody know how you would begin that? If you have brackets and parentheses, I see about half of you. Good, you've already seen this. Bella, what would you do? Kind of, yeah?
So the parentheses are usually on the inside, so you do that first, and then continue to top.
You start from the inside and you work out. So you start from whatever's in the middle and work out. So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time on that because that's not one of our main things. But you may see some of that. And just remember, you are always going to start from the smallest one in the inside and then work your way out. So we have parentheses, brackets, exponents, multiplication or division from left to right. We talked about that. Addition or subtraction from left to right. Most of y'all don't have any trouble with that. I don't think y'all had any teachers that told you otherwise. But if you did, just remember, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. All right, so this one I worked out for you inside. It's very simple, but I put it in there just to show you the way that I think is most effective for you to write it. I have done this lots of different ways over time, and it always seems like it gets messier a lot of ways. So the way I have found is the most helpful is to just cross out the part that I have used. So for instance, in this example, I would use 2 times 3 first because that's what comes first, and I just put a little line through it. Don't scribble it out. Don't, do anything else to it. Just put a simple line through it and then work it out. 2 times 3 is 6, and then bring down the part you didn't use. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. And circle your answer at the bottom. And I think you all have learned, because looking at your papers, I saw most of you followed that. Should look like a tornado as it goes down, from bigger into smaller. This will become more and more important as you get farther and farther along. So the more complex the problem is, the more you're going to need to write these steps out, because it's so easy to make a mistake way up here and to not see that. In your notes, you will see several problems. I think there are 6. Or 8. There are 8 problems. Will you just go ahead and work those 8 problems? Now, even if you can do some of this in your head, do me a favor for this time and work it out. I do encourage you to do one thing. So listen before you start writing, because I know you're eager to get started. Let's say you needed to do something, a division problem or a multiplication problem inside of here. Don't do it under here. Go over to the side somewhere, work it out, and then keep this clean for your steps to go. Because if you put something right in the middle, it can be hard to follow your steps, okay? So just write it off to the side and then come back and finish your steps. That's going to apply especially when we get to algebra. So this is a good process to get used to. So I'll give you a few minutes to get started on that.